Known for its abundant paddy fields, the Bargarh district of Odisha has now turned into a farmer's cemetery. In the last 1 year, at least 24 farmers have committed suicide here. When NDTV went to these farmers' homes to investigate, we were told the main reason behind the suicides was drought, crop destruction and loans. But the state government insists that none of the farmers have killed themselves for this reason.
19-year-old Ajit Bariha of Birhipal village in Odisha regrets the day he asked his father for money to take his class 12 exams. He had no idea it would push his father to suicide.
वो फसल हानि होने के कारण चिंतित थी।
आपको क्या चाहिए?
मुझे कोई नौकरी वगैरह चाहिए।
A landless tribal, Tarini Bariha, had been farming on someone else's land.
वो पैसे का टेंशन था। सुबह घर से निकला खेती में, वहाँ से वो नहीं लौटा।
The government purchases approximately 10 lakh tons of rice from Bargarh district, a fourth of the total rice purchased from Odisha. Yet, 26 farmers from this district have committed suicide in the last 1 year.
ये क्या करते हैं? साहूकार से लोन लेते हैं, कोऑपरेटिव से लोन लेते हैं। जब साहूकार से लोन लेते हैं, उनको तगादा जब होता है, उनको मुश्किल होता है सरवाइव करना।
उनको क्या था? कोई टेंशन था? क्या आप कुछ बोल रहे थे?
खेतर बाटे वो।
Makardwaj Vak's family is also in mourning. He too committed suicide in November, unable to pay his debts. Vak's family showed us their bank passbook, which shows there is now just rupees 500 in the account. His daughter Pinky and wife Mithila have no source of income now. Farmer suicides are not new in Odisha, but in the past year, 150 farmers have committed suicide across the state. But Naveen Patnaik's government says the suicides have nothing to do with the crop destruction or loans.
So you are saying that either these families are lying or there is some other reason to say that this is because of farm distress?
There may be some other reason. So which are some are visible, some are not visible.
I'm just asking that these families are saying it was purely farm distress which led to this death or this suicide. So you are saying that this is not the reason. So it means they are lying.
Odisha is intermittently being hit by flood, cyclone and drought. It is not the first time that drought has hit Odisha.
अजीब सा रीजन दे हैं कि किसी को शराब समझ के पेस्टिसाइड पी लिया, ये रीजन दिए हैं। किसी में फैमिली टेंशन है, किसी का बेटा का किसी लड़की के साथ चक्कर है, इसलिए वो उसका प्रॉब्लम है।
While the government hesitates in handing out compensation, debating over details of these deaths, more and more farmers lose the will to live. With camera person Madan Lal and Hridesh Joshi, Shrikant Banerjee for NDTV.